Hey beautiful souls, welcome again to my new episode. In this episode, I'm gonna create my first vision board. Now you might be thinking that what's a vision board? So let me first tell you that what actually a vision board is. A vision board is something like a visual representation of your goals or dreams. You can also call it as your dream board. Vision boards are fun to create and can serve you as a magical tool to inspire you and to motivate you towards taking daily actions in pursuit of your biggest and most important life goals and dreams. A vision board is any sort of board on which you display images that represent whatever you want to be, to do, or to have anything in your life. A vision board can contain all kinds of images and text that represent a goal or goals you have. Identify your vision and give it a clarity. आप अपने विजन बोर्ड पर कुछ भी लगा सकते हो जो आपको चाहिए. आपको जो कुछ भी चाहिए लाइफ से या यूनिवर्स से या भगवान से, वो आप इस पर लगा सकते हो. It can be anything. Your goals, your dreams, the place you want to visit, the car you want to buy, the bike you want to buy, the house you want to buy, the business you want to do. It can be anything. अगर आपको अपना प्राइवेट जेट या प्राइवेट क्रूज या प्राइवेट आइलैंड भी चाहिए ना, तो वो भी आप इस पे लगा सकते हो. The reason that vision board work so great is because that you visually see them every day. Visualization is one of the most popular and effective mind workouts that you can do. इतनी पावर है विजुअलाइजेशन में, आप जो आपने पिक्चर्स अपने विजन बोर्ड पे पेस्ट किए हैं वो आप रोज़ देखते हो, उन्हें देखते हो, तो उसे देख के एक एनर्जी आती है आपके अंदर that you have to achieve that thing. You have to put efforts to achieve your goals, to achieve your dreams. I was inspired from John Ashraf, from The Secret Book, to create my vision board. So let's begin to create my first vision board. So here are some of the essential things to make a vision board. Chart papers, sketch pens and markers, Fevicol, scissor, double-sided tape, some newspapers, or you can take magazines, and you have to take thermocol. So let's move to the first step towards creating our vision board. So first you have to paste the chart paper on the thermocol sheet. Okay. Our first step is completed, that is pasting chart paper on the thermocol sheet. Now let's move to the next step, that is cutting pictures of what you want from the newspaper, or you can also take pictures from the magazines. So as you guys can see, I have cut all the cuttings and pictures which are important for me and which I want. And I have also printed out some pictures of what I want in my life. These are all the things that I want in my life and that I want to paste, that I will paste on the vision board. Okay. Now moving on to the third step, that is pasting the pictures on the thermocol sheet. हे गाइस, मैं अपना विजन बोर्ड बना ही रहा हूँ और इतना मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे अपना विजन बोर्ड बनाने में कि मैं उसे वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकता। जो कहते हैं ना कि मतलब अपने काम से प्यार करना, अपने ड्रीम्स से प्यार करना, अपने सपनों से प्यार करना, वो फीलिंग आज मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ। और दिस इज़ जस्ट लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, दिस इज़ जस्ट द सीक्रेट एंड वर्किंग परफेक्टली। आई एम फीलिंग सो ग्रेट, सो सुपर्ब। जस्ट इतना मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे अपना विजन बोर्ड बनाने में, सच में। सो गाइस, आई हैव pasted all the pictures of what I want on the thermocol sheet. Let me show and explain it to you now. So here is my vision board. Here I have pasted pictures in a category, like this is a traveling category where I want to travel. This is a city in USA, San Francisco, and this is a city in Greece, Europe, Santorini, and this is another city from Europe, and ये आइसलैंड का एक सिटी है, and this is Thailand beach, and this is a check from the secret website. I have downloaded it from there. You can also download it from there. And this is another check from the secret website, and these are some of my dreams and that I want to achieve. And this is one of my dream, that is to achieve 100k subscribers on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and help me in achieving this dream. So please subscribe my channel. And here is a beautiful quote: you become happy when you start embracing your failures. And here is another beautiful quote: dreams become reality. And these are some quotes, and this is a title, my vision board. And as I am a foodie, I love food, so I have pasted some of the food items here. And this outfit I just liked, so I just pasted it here. And this is a fashion quote: dress like you are already famous. And these are the things I want to buy and achieve. Okay, so this is my vision board. You can see it looking so amazing and beautiful. This is my vision board. Now only the last step is left for the completion of my vision board, that is to stick the thermocol sheet to the wall. So let's jump to the final step. So as you guys can see, my vision board is ready. You can paste in your vision board your favorite things, the things that you love, the things that you want in your life. You can also paste the quotations that you like, and you can also paste some good affirmations that are important for your life. Hope you liked this episode, and if you are a new one watching this video, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then please share all my videos and please share my channel too, and keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much for watching this video, and amazing videos are coming on the way, so please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So keep supporting, keep loving. Love you all.